Hello friends, my name is Vanshita and you're watching my channel Tech Right Education. In this video, I am going to discuss about Cisco iOS upgrade. So let's begin our session. As I have told that I will discuss about Cisco iOS upgrade in this video. So what is iOS? Basically, iOS is Inter-Network Operating System. Guys, we all know that we can change our operating system in our PC and laptop. Similarly, we can change our operating system in Cisco devices like router. So where iOS stores? iOS stores in flash memory of the router. If you don't know about flash memory, then you can see my router components video. In this video, I have discussed about router components like RAM, flash memory, NVRAM, and you can see this video for getting more about flash memory and every kinds of components which are present in router. I have given link in description. So if you want to upgrade your iOS, then you need a server and a router here. So I will take here a router and a server, and I will establish connection between them. After this, what I need to do, I need to simply assign IP addresses on both of the devices. So first I write here that what IP I want to assign here. So I want to assign here this IP, and on server I want to assign this IP. So how will I assign IP here? Simply I will go on router, go its CLI mode, no, enable config T for going in global configuration mode. Then I want to assign IP address on fast Ethernet 0/0. So I will write here interface fast Ethernet 0/0, and then IP address, which one? 10.0.0.1. It's subnet mask. Press enter. Then I will write a command that is no shut for making its state up. Now I have successfully assigned IP address on router. Similarly, I will go on server, go to desktop, IP configuration, and assign IP address here. When I click on subnet mask, it will take automatically. Now I have assigned IP addresses on both of the devices. Now what I need to do? I will go on router, exit from here. Now first command I will run to see how many operating systems are present inside the flash memory. So for seeing this, I need to use show command. If I want to use show command in configuration mode, then I will use do before show. Otherwise, if I use show command in privilege mode, then there is no need to use do. Simply I can write show flash and press enter. Now I can see here that I have this operating system in my router. Now I want to change this. So how I can change this operating system? First I need to know that what is an option, that which operating system we can choose. So this router is 2600 series router. Simply I will go on server and check for operating system which is available for 2600 series router, because there are operating system according to the series of the router. I will go on services, I will go on TFTP. Now here I can see that we have many operating system according to the series of the router. So I have used here 2600 series router, so I will see for 2600 series operating system. So I have this operating system already. Suppose I want to change my operating system to this operating system. So what I need to do? Simply first thing, I should know the name of this operating system first. So for remembering it, what you will do, simply take a pic of it, or you can take a screenshot in your system. Now what you will do, you will close it, go to your router, then CLI, Now if you want to run copy command in configuration mode, then you need to write do before copy. The command is do copy tftp flash. What does this command means? This command means that you want to copy some kinds of files from TFTP server to your flash memory. When you hit enter, then it will ask for the IP address of remote host, that from where you want to copy. So my IP address of server is 10.0.0.2. When you hit enter, then it will ask for the file name, that which file name you want to copy here. So simply, if you don't want to write the full name, copy it from here, paste it, and change the things which are different. So the OS which I want to upgrade is IP base K9. Here it is 124 and here it is only 8. When you hit enter, then it will ask that you want to change destination file name. So I don't want to change destination file name, I simply hit enter. Now what it is saying, that it is accessing TFTP server. Now you can see here that this OS is loading. From where? From the server. Now check right now how many OS you have. So for checking it, what you will do show flash. You can see here that right now you have 2 OS. Now what you need to do, you need to tell your device that from which OS it need to boot. So for telling your device, what you will do, you will simply run a command, that is boot system and the name of new OS. There is no need to write the name, you can simply copy it from here and paste here. Now if you want to see that from which OS your router is booting, then you will simply write a command, that is reload. But if you write a command reload in configuration mode, then you need to write do before reload. If you write similar command in privilege mode, then you can simply write reload and hit enter. It is asking that system configuration has been modified. You want to save it, so you will write here yes and hit enter. Then again it will ask that you want to proceed with reload. You will simply hit enter. Now your OS is booting. After some time it will give result that from which OS your router is booting. Once it get completed, go upper side. You can see here that your router is booting from this OS which you have recently upgraded. Guys, if you like my video, press like button, share to your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, then ask with the help of comment box. You can also ask with the help of my Telegram group, that is Tech Queries, and also join my Telegram channel, that is Tech Right Education, for the purpose of new updates related to videos, notes, questions, etc. Thank you guys.